Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Doris. I'm here to share with you about my stock account and today's market update. Today the net asset on my account is 71,017.92. Today Apple has closed up closed down 0.75%, which make a gain of $22 in my account. As of right now, SQQQ has closed up 3.18%, SPY closed down 0.82%, and United Natural Gas closed up 4.82%. Today, the market generally closed lower. Nasdaq closed down 1.18%, S&P 500 closed down 0.8%, and Dow Jones closed down 0.76%. Today, the auto manufacturers led with a loss, whereas the drug manufacturers, insurance, and oil and gas all closed up with a gain of more than 1.5%. And today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently plunged and it fell by more than 10% at one point in the past 24 hours. The agency Matrix reported that the SEC chairman still believes the cryptocurrency industry needs a stricter compliance requirement, and that he's unlikely to vote for the spot ETF. If the SEC refuses to approve the ETF, the price could quickly fall 20%. From 38,000 to 36,000. On January 3rd, Bitcoin suddenly plunged, and right now it's at one point below 41,000 per coin, and overall for the day before that, it has been closing up, rising 160% for 2023. Analysts believe that today's volatility in cryptocurrencies is related to whether Bitcoin spot ETFs will be approved on January 8th to 10th. Digital currencies show a general downward trend, with Ethereum down more than 7% in 24 hours, IDA down nearly 14%. Dogecoin down more than 11%, and Bitcoin down more than 5%. According to CoinGlass, $104 million of long Bitcoin positions have been declared in the past hour, and more than $550 million of long positions in digital currency have been declared in the past 24 hours. According to analysts, 2024 will be a year of doubt as market begin to measure risk across the asset classes, and as the FTC will also be starting to speculate towards stricter regulations of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry. As we can recall that FTX, the bankruptcy that happened in the past 2 years, have alerted SEC. But digital currency financial services platform Matrix reported that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) January will reject all the currency spot ETF proposal. The final approval may be implemented in the second quarter of 2024. Is expected after the SEC rejects the ETF proposal, and the current price will fall to 36,000 to 38,000. Since traders began betting ETF approvals in September 2023, more than $14 billion have been flowing into the digital currency-related assets, some of which may be related to the Fed's shift, but $10 billion could be linked with expectation of ETF approval. Therefore, this report is more like breaking this bubble of expectations, and if the SEC actually disapproves the ETF proposal, the price for Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies could fall by more than 20%. The SEC chairman, Chancellor, will not expect the introduction of a cryptocurrency in the US. I don't even expect him to vote for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Approval of the Bitcoin spot ETF means that the legalization of Bitcoin as a substitute for stored value, and there's no political reason to approve the ETF. This is all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next episode.